Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley with McCawley Periodontics, and today I've got some people asking me about cavities. If I have cavities, how do I stop them from occurring? Well, there's a few things. Primarily, you want to actually reduce sugars. If you can prevent those cavities from occurring, then you don't have to worry about more fillings, things like that. Because it's sugar that actually causes that bacteria to eat away at that tooth structure that causes those cavities. So reduce sugars is number one. Also, fluoride helps too. What fluoride does is where you get those softening of the tooth structure and the beginning of cavities, it can actually remineralize that tooth structure and make it harder. So that's something that'll help you out quite a bit there. So those are some things you can do to prevent it. Also, there's some things you can do to treat it, like fillings, crowns, things like that. But ideally, it's much easier if you can prevent it. So, thanks for listening. Take care.